While studying fluvial geomorphology, we have studied that in the lower segment or lower reaches of a river, there are a number of problems. Generally, rivers are flood prone, and the surrounding area is also being badly hit or affected by flood. And this problem is noticeable in the lower reaches of all the rivers all over the world. For example, Mississippi, Missouri, Parana, Paraguay, Nile, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Huangho, Yangtze, Sikiang, Murray, Darling. Thus, it is a very important phenomenon. Secondly, this region is having a very good fertile land, plain land, fertile soil, and rich vegetation and biosphere. Simultaneously, their population is very dense and it has dense rural as well as urban population and settlement. So, it has two aspects. One, geomorphic, second, human or behavioral. So, this topic, raising of village and valley dredging, is very important for you. Now, let us consider all the rivers of their lower reaches in world as we have named. Those have a number of causes. Their flood occurs. This flood is due to a number of causes. Number one is sea level and base level change or base level rising. Suppose this is a land on which river is flowing from this higher land to lowland, and here it is sea or ocean. Waves are coming from here and the river is making delta at its mouth, and the water of delta and water of sea is nearly equal. This is base level, and we have noted that the base level is rising, means sea level is rising. Why sea level is rising? Because all over world ice is melting. Why ice is melting? Because global warming is widespread phenomena. When here the sea level will rise, the sediment brought down by the river will be deposited in delta region. When delta region will be filled with the silt, its deposition will recede back in the valley, and this will be the main cause of the silting of lower reaches of valley. One base level is local or temporary. Suppose a river is coming from here and draining into a lake, and as we know that the lake is also being silted by natural factors as well as human or man-induced factors. Thus, the level of lake will also rise, and this is also called rising of local base level, and it will hinder the sediment brought down by the local river, with the result that sediment will be deposited in the valley. Thus, the first point, that is rising of base level, is now clear. After understanding it, second point is silting of river bed. If river is coming from the folded structure or flowing over the soft rock, that will be eroded easily, and the sediment, sand, silt, clay will be deposited in the lower part of the valley, because their slope becomes gentle and rivers become wide. Thus, this is the second reason of silting of river valleys. Third is man-induced people. Most people living in village or city are settled along the river valleys, and today most of the urban and industrial centers are located along the bank, along the river. Why? Just to gain water from the river for drinking purposes for animal. Secondly, they harnessed river water for agricultural purposes. Third point, navigation, fisheries, etc. But today, the people of village and city along the river bank are misusing that flow of river. How? By dumping and discharging their urban and industrial effluent and pollution and sewage. The liquid material of this discharge flows with the river water, while the solid material is being deposited with the silt in the river bed, causing raising of the bed. So, these are the three causes due to which the river bed is silted and rising. Take example of this river. 100 years ago, people settled here and they developed temple for worship on the bank of river. On the basis of observations of 100 years duration, that maximum flood level during past 100 years was this. That's why they thought, ancient thought, that this is secure place for settlements, and they started living here. Based on their several previous years observation of this maximum flood level, they developed here cultural landscape, means settlements were established, and for few years they were flood free. But in due course of time, due to these three factors, there was a silting or siltation of the river bed, and this area which was filled previously with water has now been filled with this thick layer of silt. So, when rainfall will become normal as previously, this water level from this previous flood level will reach up to this point, causing flood in the bank region and submerging these settlements, temples, and agricultural or farmscapes developed on the bank. Thus, there is a damage from flood due to these three factors. Now, the government or people there are worried by the damage of this flood. Hence, they have prepared, or the government of this region has prepared two plans, one work and two profits. This is raising of village and valley dredging. But first is valley dredging or valley deepening. During summer season, when water is minimum, the sand or sediment or the silt deposited in the bed is being dug out. Digging out of this sand is called dredging in English. Dredging is a today technical term, a project, long project or major project. This dredged material will not be carried far away because of high transport cost. That's why this sediment will be thrown or spread in the area from where it has been brought by rainwater from here. And when rain occurred, the soil surrounding the village, temple, settlement, agriculture was eroded by sheet erosion or rill and gully erosion, and it was silted here. That's why the level of village has come down and the level of river has gone up. With the result, here flood is taking place. when this dredged material will be spread in the surrounding of village, temple and cultural landscape, this will be raised. Level of village will be raised. It does not mean that economic, social, political level of village has been raised. Rather, it is physical level from the flood level has been raised. By this means, the capacity of river valley has been increased and deepened, and this has been raised. Thus, the capacity of river will be increased and flood will be controlled. So, these are the steps, 2 steps of protecting this area from flood. As we have discussed, dredging or valley deepening here in the low-lying area, and its example is river Don in Europe, which is flowing in Azov Sea. River Don in lower reaches was silted and the surrounding area was being flooded. To protect from that flood, River Don in the lower part has been deepened by 14 feet from Winchester Place to Azov Sea, and a new channel, dog-legged channel, has been created, which has controlled flood and shaped the surrounding area considerably. Second point is villages on the river banks are being raised, their physical level as discussed. The example of raising of villages are in the Gangetic Plain in India. According to the report, up to 1973, about 4,600 villages have been raised in Gangetic Plain, especially lower Gangetic Plain along the river valley, by dredging and by throwing the dredged material in the village areas. So, this is very important geomorphic event interfered by man, and this geomorphic phenomena has applied and behavioral impact. Say, it is also applied geomorphology or behavioral geomorphology for human welfare approach, which should be first defined, then the causes of flood should be written, and then this model with the help of examples should be explained.